The western coastal belt of Konkan, that is in Maharashtra, boasts many forts built by Shivaji Maharaj and many of his predecessors or unknown kings. This fortalice is called Purnagad. On the entrance, we find a rectangular well that must have been providing drinking water. Hanuman temple is situated on the left side while entering the fort. We enter inside the fort through the typical Shivaji Maharaj era doors, the doors which cannot be seen from far away. Almost all the forts in Maharashtra, the gates are usually covered with circular walls. Shivaji Maharaj is the first of the kings to understand the importance of sea warfare. Hence, he was instrumental in building many fort and fortresses along the Konkan coast of Maharashtra. Well, we find this Purnagad fort, that is 25 kilometers from Ratnagiri, in good condition. The old photograph which is shown at just end seems not interesting. On the west side is the majestic Arabian Sea, a breathtaking view which cannot be missed or forgotten for a while. The beauty of the fort comes alive during the monsoon season, so it is advisable to visit this beautiful fort in a monsoon, of course with umbrella and raincoats. At the far end, we can see the Ganesh Gule beach, a beautiful Ganesh Gule beach. A pathway has been built along the fort for a good walk. The fort is situated on a 2-acre land, and it has been said the descendants of the people who had built the fort are living alongside. After the Peshwas, the British controlled these forts and they used for their defense purposes. Although while visiting Ratnagiri, this fort is a must visit, but it is very difficult to get here due to the non-navigable road for almost 1 kilometer. A couple of stairs takes us to the top of the fort. From the top, it is mesmerizing to view the fort as well as the Arabian Sea, and it is a must-watch feeling. You are recommended to visit this site in the mornings or evenings because in the afternoon it is very hot. Very few tourists are aware of this Purnagad fort, hence visitors are very few. So this fort is also well kept. Usually the Shivaji Maharaj lovers and trekking lovers are present on this fort always. They plant a flag, take selfies, and are very happy to be here. After visiting this fort, you will definitely recommend other visitors to visit this fort. Photographers, nature lovers will be attracted towards this fort after good publicity which has to be made from the government as well as the public side. This fort is ideal for one-day camp and seminars. If you are planning to visit Konkan, make it a point to visit this place and enjoy history in its silence. What do you think about this video? Please do comment, share and like. Thank you.